I'm never having kids because I just saw a video where this father showed off some pictures his daughter drew for him. And at first, it was cute because the daughter was like, Daddy, look, I drew our family. And the drawings would have her, the father, and their dog in it. Seems really sweet, right? Well, it was until the father showed the last drawing she made. Because in that one, it wasn't just them and the dog in it. There was one extra person. But I don't even know if you could call it a person because it looked like a demon. When I first saw it, I thought she was trying to draw the thing from the Momo challenge. So the dad asks the daughter who that extra person is, and she goes, that's my friend. Well, that's terrifying. But then it gets even worse because the dad says, oh, why does she look like that? And the little girl goes, don't say that, Dad. She gets mad when you talk about her like that. What? I'm sorry, but if this happened to me, my daughter and her little friend over there can go hang out at the orphanage because I ain't messing with whatever that is.